So good morning, everyone. Today we're doing this hubcap looking thing that I saw outside on a pickup truck. I thought it was kind of cool looking. These warm-up videos are going to be basically me just trying to get my head in the zone of modeling, and I think they'll primarily be hard surface stuff, but not always. It's really just a way for me to, like I say, get my head set up and ready for the workday. There should be a variety of techniques. We should be doing everything from mop booleans to mesh fusion to ZBrush. Who knows what's going to happen, but it depends, whatever strikes my fancy that day. These are generally going to be sped up because I want them to be, well, I won't set limits on them, but I want them to be relatively short, little bite-sized things that maybe you can watch and get ready for your workday. I'll tend to edit out the really horrific mistakes, but I'll leave them uncut for the most part. But a little time lapsing never hurt anybody. So hopefully you get some value out of these, and enjoy. I'll see you later. Oh, and one thing I really should have mentioned is that I'm going to be including the source files down in the description of the video. So if you have the latest MODO, you'll be able to download these, well, the latest version of whatever app it is that I'm using in the video. You'll be able to download the source files and look at the finished file if that interests you at all. Okay, I'm really going now. Thanks.
Bye.